So what's up guys? Okay. What's up guys? We gonna play Mr. Mix, brother. We gonna play Mr. Mix, okay? We gonna play Mr. Mix. I'm new in here. I am new. Okay, let's wait. Okay, there you go. Bro. There you go. What the? Bro, some tree in here? Okay, I'm gonna start now. Okay. Hey, look my Sigma, bro. Sigma. And my real name is Sigma too. Okay. 2, 3. I think this is 3. Okay, we start now. Okay, we start now. We start. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, guys. Okay.
I've been living here for many years, and I've seen many owners of this house. But this one is a completely different story.
Wow.
Big man, yellow skin, crazy eyes.
Okay.
It doesn't take a genius to figure out that this is a bad person. Insane.
Okay.
But this story will not be about him, but about his next victims, who had yet to escape from this horror.
Oh, sorry guys. Okay. I think this is scary, brother. Oh, bro. Let's go. Let's finish this. Okay. Get some blue, brother. Oh, we escaped in the refrigerator. Okay, crouch. Let's crouch. Oh, brother. See? I'm using control. Bro. Now. How did he find me, brother? April 1-4. Bro, mine is Sigma. Who's April? Bro, unlock. Faster. Okay, crouch. See? Oh, the control is run. Okay. I'm gonna give you a hint. Control is run. Okay.
Gotcha!
And C is crouch. Brother. Uh-oh. Run. Bro. Wow. Ah! Bro. Look that name. Look that name, bro. Look that name. That is Sigma. F. Whoa. We need this hammer, bro. We need hammer, brother. Okay, go. Okay, you first now. Okay, Mr. Mix, you're not going now. Okay, bye, Mr. Mix. Bro, where's the... What happened?
Despite desperate attempts, he failed to escape fate and remained forever neither the first nor the last victim of Mr. Mix.
It's me, bro. Bruh. But I don't have much Robux. Okay. We start now again, okay. Okay, we start now again. 3. I think this is only so. Bro, no, leave. Okay. Okay guys, tatagalugin ko na nga lang. Okay. Bakit waiting for players? Bakit waiting for players?
I've been living here for many years.
Skip na natin.
I've seen many.
Oh, na-unlock natin. May kasama tayo. Meron nga. Bro. Excuse me. Okay. Don't run faster. Bro, don't go there. Go get. Mosquitoes is Pero control is crouch. My bad. Shift is run, control is crouch. Matter. Go run faster, brother. Oh, you first. Okay. What I do? F. Okay. Maybe okay, I can use. Mimi, I'm expert in here. What the? Again. What? Bro, you. Ikaw na lang. Wala ka expert eh. Hindi ako expert. Yo. Isa ka rin. Ako na nga lang. Ito. Yan ba? Expert ako dyan. See? Baka, ikaw na. You. Ikaw na, you. Pangalan mo? Ay, di pala makita. Okay, kaya mo yan. Ikaw muna mauna bago ako. Mamatay ako sa'yo eh. Bababa ka? Akala ko ba? Dumudin na lang si Scissor. Ay, akala ko Scissor gagamitin eh. Ano yung sapot? String? Sunugin natin to. Kailangan natin to. Oh my god, si Mr. Mix nandiyan. Binubuntal niya yung kan. Salamin ba yan? Oh, salamin nga. Oh my god. Number of a certain color will appear on the screens. Enter time into the code block. 531. Okay. 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 531. Okay. 531. 7. 2. Dali. Dala mo naman ito pala ya. Wala nagpapakita. 7, 2, 4. Kaya nga, 7, 2, 4. Tama lang ginawa mo. Dito pa rin yan. Okay. Ang dami ba ito? 3 lang pala eh. Ano to? Oh, kailangan natin tong knife. Saan yung knife? Saan yung knife?
Mr. Mix will fix you!
Wala kayo. My bad. Ay, siya yung nakuha hindi ako. Okay. This is Sigma. Okay. Iba ka Sigma to. Bro. Can I go, bro? Okay. Balak. Oh, alam ko na. Zero. Okay, wala. Zero, tama, zero. 2. Alis ka. Umalis ka naman na dyan. Bala ka dyan. Papatayin kita dyan, kaya halika dito. Pag namatay pa tayo dito, ayoko na ko eh. Agoy.
I'm Mr. Mix!
Agoy. Okay guys, dito muna tayo nagtatapos ang ating Mr. Mix. Nasusunod na tayo. Okay. Peace out guys. Bye.